When clients reach out to us to use our services, they always have an end goal in mind, but don't necessarily know how to get there. For example, a client will present us with an API, its effectiveness as a drug, a target dose, and a desired route of emission. It is the duty of our formulations team to develop a formula which meets all the client's parameters and objectives. Development of these formulations is tracked over time and presented to clients on a weekly basis. During the development phase, formulations are screened and often changed based on the client's needs. It is crucial to have flexibility to adjust dosing and in some cases even excipients that may need to change based on testing data and availability. As we advance through the development process, we update our clients with our progress. This is used to update milestones and keep in line with timelines. Usually, our points of contact are in constant communication with clients. It's not just a once-a-week meeting. As soon as data comes out, we often send them the data and get their opinions and feedback. If we need to make certain changes, how they interpret the data, and this also helps drive formulation development. So many factors play critical roles in developing a successful drug product. The active pharmaceutical ingredient, also known as the API, is the most important part of any drug product. Many times, clients have the API well researched and what its target and what its effect is going to be. However, they do not have a method of getting the API to its target. In most cases, the APIs have very poor water solubility and will need the aid of other inert compounds in order to reach its target and function as a drug. Other factors include the route of emission and the dosage form, which may also present challenges. We need to keep both the API and the formulation stable in both vivo and storage while maintaining accepted physiological conditions so we don't encounter any issues once the product is delivered. We have formulated, tested, and manufactured a wide variety of pharmaceutical dosage forms on the market, including liquid and powder-filled capsules, over-encapsulated capsules, nano-milled suspensions, solutions, creams, gels, powders, and terminally sterilized injectables. We manufacture these products in our Grade C and Grade D suites. Recently, our CDMO facilities underwent a dramatic expansion of 35,000 square feet. This dramatically expanded our manufacturing capabilities. Each client has a goal that provides unique challenges to us. With this expansion comes more bandwidth to tackle these challenges and support clients' goals. One client in particular has been with us for many years now, and they were having a hard time finding a drug development and manufacturing company that can help meet their requirements. They came to us and we successfully designed formulations and manufacturing processes specifically for them to fit their unique needs. This led to a lasting partnership where we supplied all of their phase 1 products and are currently expanding production with them for phase 3. The second example really showcases how trust is built between a client and the service provider. A leading developer of novel cancer therapeutics was experiencing persistent manufacturing process issues. Their contract manufacturing partners were unable to deliver a consistent process for liquid-filled capsules, which resulted in the loss of very expensive batches of product. Their technicians and engineers were unable to diagnose the problem and thus could not develop a solution. They outsourced diagnosis and resolution to half a dozen larger manufacturing companies, each without success, and finally they turned to Alta Sciences. Our experts were able to identify the issues during the manufacturing process and took quick action to minimize potential product and monetary losses. Our commitment to our clients' success is unmatched and very important to us. That is what makes us a different CDMO.